Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm just going to be making ribs and rice. So as you guys can see here, I'm cutting the onions.
Move fast and you do what you want. Cut the sound on what I want. Hope you do what you want. What you want.
Now I'm cutting the green pepper.
Always fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get to know me. In the meantime, I go where I want. Just some me time. Everybody be so all down. My killers don't tell.
And prepping the rice.
My New York to shell. My bitch is in the hell. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, get to know me, baby. In the meantime, I go where I want. It's the meantime. Wanna pick you eyes but feel like days. Days but it feel like months. Been gone for years, only know like once. Like you fast, you do what you want.
Putting it in the rice cooker and seasoning it with Himalayan salt.
In the meantime, just I do what I want.
And olive oil.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. Sit in the mirror, I got myself.
Now I'm to the point where I'm making the barbecue sauce for the ribs. So I use 4 teaspoons of ketchup. One tablespoon of mustard. 1 teaspoon of honey. 2 teaspoons of the liquid smoke. Melted butter. And 2 teaspoons of the brown sugar. And then I mix it all together. Off camera, I added a little bit more of each condiment. So now I'm prepping the pan for the ribs. I'm going to spread it with the pan original. And now I'm seasoning the ribs with garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, pepper, Himalayan salt, and sazon. Mix it together.
If you really care for me, just make sure you
Place the ribs on the cooking sheet.
let me know what you want from me. Open up and get it, see, but you know it wanna be. Just wanna know just a bit deeper.
And I add the onions and the green peppers. Cover it and let it cook in the oven for 2 hours on 350. So an hour before the ribs were done, I went ahead and put the barbecue sauce on top of it.
Don't fuck me up.
Covered it and then allowed it to continue to cook, and this is how it came out. Really good, really bomb. I enjoyed it.